Hey! Alright everyone, Millenniumforce here. We're at the Belmar train station in New Jersey. A New Jersey Transit train just popped in. We're heading back to Florida. And Vinny is coming back to Florida with us with Freedom Tower Production. Of course you had to get in my way. Anyway, Freedom Tower Productions, Vinny is coming to Florida with us to stay for a little bit.
Yep.
And we are on our way from Belmar to Florida. And the New Jersey Transit train is taking off right now. So let's check this out first before we go back to Florida.
Wait for me!
There goes a piglet. I guess she ain't going back to Florida with us. Anyway, we are packing his stuff in the Force car. The Millenniumforce car.
What else? Glory of junk.
Packed to the top. Wow, everything is full. We're going to be sardines to Florida.
No.
Look at that. Look at that.
There we go.
Boom. I made it fit.
All right. But wait a minute, you're not in the car yet. Even the seagulls behind are laughing at you.
Read my lips.
Yeah, I don't want to say nothing. Anyway, this is a clean channel, so
Alright, so I can
save that for Unleashed. All right, but anyway, check us out back down on the way to Florida. We got a lot of exciting stops to make on the way down, so here we go.
Very exciting.
She's gonna be dumped off somewhere, probably in the Delaware River on the Cape May Ferry.
Yeah.
Hey.
Here we go. All right, we are now on the Cape May Ferry, and we're going to Delaware. And after that, we got a long drive home, but we'll be checking out a lot of things on the way home, so stay with us. It's just beginning. Hey, guys.
Oh, this guy's being photo.
Oh yeah. Would be allowed.
Chickens.
Keep your eyes peeled, you just might see a bald eagle. Enjoy our video game, give shop, food court, and free Wi-Fi. If you need assistance during our crossing, please speak with any crew member and they'll be happy to assist. So sit back, relax, and thank you for sailing on the Cape May Ferry.
All right. Go. Wait till that car goes by.
Wait for that car to go by.
Hey, Millenniumforce here. We are having our first train come through in Folkston, Georgia, where we're staying at the Railside Lodging. And Vinny's here, and here comes the first train that I'm recording. Let me get over here and get ready. Here he comes. Vinny!
Hello. There's that.
Sarah! Hey!
Yeah.
And Charlotte in the cabin.
Hiding from the trains.
Oh, well. Wait a minute. Hang on.
Oh, Charlotte.
There she is. The warthog from hell. Yep, that warthog from hell.
Use that.
Uh-huh. Piglet!
Hello.